Ayan guys. Sarap guys. Pineapple with bagoong. Ginisang bagoong. Kasi walang mangga guys. Pwede rin pala sa pineapple. Lalagay yung bagoong. Sarap pala guys. Kasi walang mangga. Ito na lang. Bagong tuklas. Let's eat guys. Pineapple with bagoong. Yummy. Sarap. Try nyo to guys. Sarap. Sarap guys. Bagong tuklas guys. From Manila. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.